The pesticide application is a new tool for DOC to record pesticide work. The pesticide application is a web mapping application, accessed through the GIS portal. It enables collaboration and provides single source of truth for all pesticide data. It follows the Animal Operations Standard Operating Procedure. The application requires operational planners to do the following tasks. They use mapping techniques to add treatment blocks and areas. They populate those blocks and areas with descriptions. They add data showing the compliance element of the work, such as public health permissions and resource consents. They add operational support information like the location of notification signs and water intakes. And they create the linkages between those elements so updating is synchronized in the system. The application data will automatically flow through from the application to the pesticide summary as the application is updated. The application allows accountable directors and managers to be notified when blocks are created and updated. All stakeholders can review information at any stage in the process. Any required changes are fed back to the operational planner to update through the usual communication channels. Staff responsible for reviewing treatment block operational details will search by name or by zooming in access detail from the block titles. Links in descriptions allow the operational planner to directly update the details of the treatment. These updates include changes to the method, pesticide or dates, changes to compliance information on the treatment area, the removal of exclusions from treatment blocks. Process overview. A treatment area is automatically created when a new block is added. One treatment area can contain one or more treatment blocks. Adding a new block to an existing area automatically updates the underlying area. Once this is done, operational details can be added with exclusion areas defined around water intakes or huts. The status of a block changes as the operation proceeds and can be seen in the pesticide summary group layer. The status moves from proposed to will be laid to have been laid. Once the status is will be laid, and the operation passes its defined start date, the status will automatically be set to has been laid. This is part of the precautionary design of the application. The block can now have records of actual treatment added. These can be for aerial application, bait stations, bait bags, or handling. Warning signs are linked to treatment blocks. Treatment blocks can be retired at any time in the process, unless warning signs are indicated as still being out. If signs are out, they must be removed in the application before retiring the block. This should only be done once the caution period has expired. When a block is retired, the block will be removed from the pesticide summary. Maps can be produced to assist with the compliance process. The national compliance picture can be provided in two ways. It can be provided in a map-centric view. It can also be provided in a tabular form. This ends the operational overview of the pesticide application. View the tutorials to learn step-by-step instructions for each task.